Ever wondered how to generate videos using InVideo? Today, we'll take you through a step-by-step process. This isn't just another tool. InVideo is a powerful platform that's transforming the way we create and share visual stories. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just dipping your toes into the world of video production, InVideo offers a range of features to suit your needs. From customizable templates to a library of stock images and videos, this platform is all about making video creation as seamless as possible. Today, we're going to explore how you can leverage InVideo to generate captivating videos that resonate with your audience. We'll walk you through setting up your account, choosing and customizing a template, adding audio, and finally, finalizing your video. So if you've ever been intrigued by video creation but didn't know where to start, this is your chance to learn. Ready to dive into the world of InVideo? Stay tuned! InVideo is a fantastic tool that helps you generate professional-looking videos in no time. Let's dive deeper into this statement. What exactly is InVideo? In essence, it's a video creation platform that allows anyone, regardless of their technical skills or background, to make stunning videos. It's like having your own personal video production team at your fingertips. Available 24/7, InVideo offers a vast library of customizable templates designed to cater to a wide range of styles and themes. Whether you're crafting a promotional video for your business, creating a heartwarming montage for a special occasion, or simply trying to add some visual flair to your social media posts, InVideo has got you covered. But the capabilities of InVideo don't stop at templates. The platform also provides a variety of editing tools that give you the freedom to truly make your video your own. You can trim and splice clips, adjust the color and brightness, add text and transitions, and even incorporate special effects. One of the most significant features of InVideo is its user-friendly interface. It's been designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for anyone to navigate and use. This means you can spend less time figuring out how to use the platform and more time creating and perfecting your videos. Another appealing aspect of InVideo is its affordability. With a price point that's accessible to individuals and small businesses, it's a cost-effective solution for those looking to create high-quality videos without breaking the bank. InVideo also offers a strong community and support system. Whether you're facing a technical issue or simply need some creative inspiration, you can turn to the InVideo community or their responsive customer support team for help. In summary, InVideo is a versatile, user-friendly, and affordable tool that empowers you to create professional-looking videos with ease. It's a platform that combines convenience, creativity, and community, making video creation accessible to everyone. Now, you have a basic understanding of InVideo. Next, we will explore how to use it. Before you start creating videos, you need to set up your InVideo account. Now, setting up your account is a breeze, and here's how you do it. Head on over to InVideo's website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and choose a password. Make sure to use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. Next, you'll be asked to fill in some basic information about yourself. This includes your name, job title, and the industry you work in. By providing this information, InVideo can tailor its services to better suit your needs. Finally, you'll have to verify your email address. Simply check your inbox for the verification email from InVideo. Click on the link provided, and voila, you're all set. Remember, setting up your account is just the first step in your journey to creating stunning videos. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start creating videos. The first step in creating your video is choosing the right template. Now, this might seem daunting, given the plethora of options available, but fear not, we're here to guide you through this critical process. Imagine templates as the skeleton of your video. They provide a structure, a basic layout that you can build upon. And just like humans, not every skeleton is the same. Each one is designed to serve a specific purpose. So the key to choosing the right template lies in defining what you want to achieve with your video. Are you aiming to create an instructional video? Then you might want to go for a step-by-step template that allows you to break down your content into digestible chunks. Maybe you're crafting a promotional video for a product launch. In this case, an engaging showcase template might be your go-to. Remember, the template you choose will set the tone and flow of your video, so it's vital to pick one that aligns with your video's purpose and your brand's identity. Don't rush this step. Take your time to explore, experiment, and find the perfect fit. InVideo offers a wide variety of templates to cater to every need and style. From minimalist and sleek to vibrant and dynamic, there's something for everyone. You can even filter templates by category, style, or length, making your search more streamlined and less time-consuming. And here's the best part. Each template is fully customizable. This means that no two videos will be the same, even if they use the same template. Your creativity is the only limit to what you can achieve with these templates. Don't be afraid to play around. Mix and match elements, try different color schemes, and see what works best for your content. After all, creating a video is an art, and you're the artist. Remember, a template is just a starting point. It's up to you to bring it to life and make it your own. So choose wisely and let your creativity shine through. With the right template, you're one step closer to creating your video. Now that you have chosen your template, it's time to customize it to suit your needs. Customization is the spice of creativity, and with InVideo, you have a vast array of options at your fingertips. Think of your chosen template as a canvas and the customization tools as your palette. The final masterpiece? That's up to you. To begin, let's talk about color. Color sets the mood and tone of your video. InVideo allows you to change the color scheme of your template easily. Whether you want to match your brand colors or set a particular mood, the choice is yours. Next up is text. Adding text to your video can help deliver your message more effectively. With InVideo, you can edit the font, size, color, and placement of your text. Remember, your text should complement your visuals, not overpower them. So, choose wisely. Now, let's move on to images and videos. Visuals are the heart of any video. They draw in viewers and keep them engaged. InVideo lets you insert images or videos into your template. You can upload your own or choose from InVideo's extensive library. The key here is to choose visuals that are relevant to your content and resonate with your audience. Lastly, don't forget about transitions. Smooth transitions between scenes can make your video flow better and keep your audience intrigued. InVideo offers a variety of transition options. You can choose a simple fade or a more complex animation. Again, the choice is yours. Customizing your template may seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Play around with different options. Experiment. Have fun. After all, creativity is all about exploration and discovery. And remember, there's no right or wrong when it comes to customization. It's all about what works best for you and your content. InVideo gives you the freedom to create, to express, and to impress. Customizing your template allows you to make your video truly unique. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and let your video stand out from the crowd. A great video isn't complete without the perfect soundtrack. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of audio. InVideo offers a plethora of audio tools you can employ to add that extra spark to your videos. Whether it's a catchy tune or a compelling voiceover, the right audio can elevate your video content to new heights. First off, let's explore how to add music to your video. Start by navigating to the Music tab on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a vast library of tunes at your disposal, spanning a wide array of genres. From upbeat pop tracks to soothing classical pieces, there's something for every mood and theme. Once you've found a track that resonates with your video, simply click on it and hit the Add button. The track will then be automatically added to your video timeline. You can adjust the volume, duration, and position of the track as per your needs. But what if you wish to lend your own voice to your creation? Fear not, for InVideo has got you covered. To add a voiceover, head over to the Voiceover tab in the Music section. Here, You can either upload a pre-recorded audio file or record your voice in real time. If you choose to record, just hit the record button and start speaking. Once you're done, click stop, and your voiceover will be added to your video timeline. You can tweak the volume and placement of your voiceover, just like you would with a music track. InVideo's audio tools also offer advanced features like fade in, fade out, and audio ducking. These can help you create smooth transitions and ensure your music and voiceovers don't compete for attention. Remember, the right audio can transform your video from good to great. It can evoke emotions, set the pace, and even tell a story all on its own. So don't shy away from experimenting with different tracks and voiceovers. With your audio in place, your video is starting to come alive. Now, you're one step closer to creating that perfect video. So let's move on to the next step, shall we? You're almost there. Now, it's time to finalize your video. At this point, your video is starting to look pretty fantastic, isn't it? But before we pop the champagne and call it done, let's take a moment to preview our masterpiece. InVideo provides you with an easy-to-use preview feature. This allows you to watch your video, start to finish, just as your audience will see it. It's like having a private screening of your own creative work. As you watch, keep an eye out for any inconsistencies or errors that might have slipped past. Perhaps the transitions between scenes aren't as smooth as you'd like them to be, or maybe the audio levels need a bit of tweaking. Every detail matters. Remember, your video is a reflection of you, so let's make it the best it can be. Now, sometimes you might notice something that needs changing. Don't worry, it's not a problem. InVideo makes editing a breeze, even at this stage. You can easily jump back into the editing process, make your adjustments, and then return to the preview. Rinse and repeat until you're completely satisfied with every second of your video. Once you're happy with your video, it's time for the final step. Exporting your creation. This might sound complicated, but with InVideo, it's a walk in the park. Just click the export button and InVideo will start to render your video in high-quality format. Depending on the length and complexity of your video, this might take a few moments, so sit back, relax, and let InVideo do its magic. And there we have it, folks. You've taken your idea from concept to reality, and now you have a polished professional video ready to share with the world. Congratulations, you've just created a video using InVideo. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating videos using InVideo. We've taken a journey from the very beginning, understanding the basics of InVideo, setting up your account, and choosing a template that suits your creative vision. We've delved into the customizing process, adding your unique flair to the chosen template. And then we've explored adding audio to give your video that extra dimension of engagement. Finally, we've brought it all together to finalize your video masterpiece. In every step, remember, the key is to let your creativity shine, embrace the tools and features at hand, and don't be afraid to experiment. It's all about finding what works for you and your audience. So what are you waiting for? The world is your canvas, and InVideo is your brush. Bring your ideas to life. Let your stories be heard and seen. Now it's your turn. Happy video making.